Hello game devs, welcome to my first tutorial of the year. So today I will be showing you how to create a 3-star scoring system. So in case you don't know what that means, I'll just give you a preview. And also I will show you how to unlock stages. So as you can see, this is locked. You can't open it because I haven't played the first stage, so I'll just go through that real quick. Here we go. So I currently have 500 coins. I've set different values for the coins. Trying to avoid. Okay. So now I have 1,200 coins, and here we go. As you can see, this is 2 stars now. My stage 2 is now unlocked. So just go through that same way. So just try to get 3 stars here. Okay. There we go. Right here. I'm trying to get 3 stars, so okay, there we go. That's 2,850. Going up. Same here. So I've successfully collected all the coins and in collision with the flag. As you can see, I now have 3 stars, and my stage 3 is now unlocked. So play that. Here we go. Enemies. Okay, I'll just try and get 1 star here. Okay, I don't think that's possible again since I've already been in collision with almost all the coins. Okay, here we go. Okay, so as you can see, I now have 2 stars here, 2, 3, and 2, and this could also be made into 3 stars. So I have to get everything. Get all the stars. Oh my. Okay, there we go. That's almost done. And boom. So that becomes 3 stars. As you can see, I was in collision with everything. So that's how the score system works. So we'll go through that now. Let's begin. Open GDevelop, create a new project, platformer. So here we go. This is my first stage. Okay, this is my first stage. Let's go to our project manager. I'll just rename that stage 1. Open that. Copy, paste, rename stage 2, and paste, rename stage 3. So we have 3 stages now. There we go, but we need our stage menu, so you can just copy that. Oh, I still have it, so paste, rename this stage select, and there we go. Delete this. I don't need this actually, so delete stage select. Now just take out everything in the scene. Okay, delete, and okay, that's all. And some properties, I need a background color. Okay, so here we go. Now we have a stage select. We have a stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3. So let's go to our stage 1. let's add in a flag to change to our menu scene. So add an object, sprite, add an animation, add. Okay, so now we have a flag, our flags here. So just select this to animations, open. So this about 0.2, loop preview. So here we go, apply, and rename this flag, apply. Now just place it around here, and set this as a global object so it appears in all the scenes of the game. So stage 2, so bottom, here we go, flag, I'll just place here. Due to time, I cannot change the stages, so I'll just use the same stage and maybe add in different obstacles and enemies. So here we go, now 3 flags. Okay, that's all we need to do for now for our stages. Let's go to our main stage select. Let's fill in some things for the interface. Okay, so let's add an object, sprite, add an animation, add. Okay, so just fill in the board, name this stage 1, okay, so apply, and I need to resize this, maybe about 140 and 140 for our width and our height, and I also need to position that at 33 and about 219. Okay, so this will be our stage 1 BG. So let's add in. So now let's add one for stage 2 BG. Do the same duplicate. Stage 3 BG. So there we go. Now I'll just scale that down to 140. Okay, custom size. Okay. Same X position, 219, 219, and here we go. That's 219. So we now have a BG for the stage 1, 2, and 3. Let's add in the stars. Add a new object, sprite. Add an animation. Add. Okay, so let's fill in the first star, which is empty. Add an animation. Add 3 stars. That's star 1. Add an animation. Add 2 stars. Add an animation and add. Okay, the last star. So I'll just rename this stage 1 star. Okay, apply, duplicate, name that stage 2 star, duplicate, name that stage 3 star. Okay, so now we have a first star, second star, and a third star. Now let's put this into the scene. Okay. Now we have it into our scene. Let's scale that down. I'll just select that. You can select multiple multiple objects by holding down Shift and right clicking on them. So width 100 and height 50. So custom size. Okay, I'll just select that, and Y position 288, and X position about 53. Okay, Okay, now I have this, and let's add in text. So add a new object, sprite, sorry, cancel, delete that. Okay, add a new object, text one. So this is our first stage. So stage one, text. Okay, size 20, bold, and apply. Here we go. Edit object, just increase the value, give about 40, and apply. Okay, so this is our stage one text. Duplicate. Stage two text. Duplicate. Stage three text. Go down to the scene and stage two text. Okay, now edit object. Change the value to. Same here. Change the value. 3 and apply. So now we have our stage select. So let's go into our events. Stage one events. Right here, add a new group. I just name that stage one. Now add a subcondition. Okay, let's go. Collision. So now we need the flag to transport our player back to the stage select. So player is in collision with flag. So now player is in collision with the flag. Add an action. Scene. We need it to change to the scene stage select. Okay, so change scene stage select. Add an empty event. Add a condition. Now let's create a scene variable. Scene variable value of a scene variable. Score. So this is a scene variable. That's the score of this scene scene. So choose an operator set to or greater than values compare 1 to 0. That's 1200. So I said this, when the score is greater than 1200, we need to create a global variable. Value of a global variable. Add stage one score, apply. So stage one score, choose an operator, set to 3. Okay. Now we'll do 3 to the global variable stage one score. Add an empty event. Scene variable. Value of a scene variable score, choose an operator, is greater than. Let's compare 600. So now when a scene variable score is greater than 600, value of a global variable, stage one score, choose an operator, set to value 2. So we'll do 2 to the global variable stage one score. And so now once it's greater than 600, we need to set a limit. So once the scene variable score is greater than 600, copy, paste, and it is less than 1200. So once it's greater than 600 and less than 1200, it sets the global variable to 2. Add an empty event. Let's go scene variable. Value of the scene variable score, choose an operator, is greater than. Value to compare 200. Now once it's greater than 200, it is less than 600. So this means if you don't make it up to 200, you won't earn any star. So you have to be in the range of 200 and 600 to earn your first star, 600 and 1200 to earn your second star, and above 1200 to earn your third star. So just copy that, paste. Okay, do one to the animation. Now add an empty event. So let's add an event to save our score and link it to our stage select event. So add a condition, scene variable, value of a scene variable, score, choose an operator is greater than value to compare, the global variable is greater than global variable. Now fill in your global variable here, which is stage 1 score. So once our score is greater than the global variable stage 1 score and our player is in collision with the flag, because we don't want this to we want it to only work once our player ends the scene. So once a player is in collision with the flag, now write value storage name, just name that save 1, so this is our first stage. So save 1 group star 1 and expression global variable stage 1 score. So there we go. Now once our scene variable score is greater than our global variable stage 1 score, we will write global variable stage 1 score in star of storage save. So now let's go to our stage events, add a new group. I'll just name that stage 1 events. Add a subcondition, add a condition. So I have calculated it and it works. So if you're making your game, you should go through, count how many coins you have, the total score obtainable in your game, and then you could just fill it in here. So players in collision with flag change scene stage select scene variable score. Now the scene variable, in case you knew, GUI management, sorry. Okay, now here we go. This is scene variable score. So back to our stage 2 event, and that's a scene variable we are presently using. So it will do 3 to the global variable. Change this. Let's fill in create a new global variable, variable stage 2 score, stage 2 score, and apply. Okay, change that. Back stage 2 score. Here we go, stage 2 score. Same here, stage 2 score. Okay, so now scene variable score is greater than the global variable stage 2 score. Write global variable stage 2 score in star 2. You need to create a different group and of storage save 2. So now this is for our stage 2. Let's go to our stage 3 events. Paste that. Stage 3. Player is in collision with flag. Change scene stage select. Score is greater than 1200. Let's create a new global variable. New global variable stage 3 score. So stage 3 score, apply. Let's change this, stage 3 score. There we go. Same here, stage 3 score, and same here, stage 3 score. So now once the scene variable score is greater than the global variable stage 3 score, we'll write global variable stage 3 in star 3 and of storage name save 3. So presently that's all we need to do in our events. So let's go to that's all we need in our stages. So let's go to our stage select and Now here we go. So we'll do one to the animation of stage 1 score, add an empty event. Now storage, existence of storage, existence of a group, sorry, storage name, which is our save one group, star one. So now star one existing storage save one, add an action one to the global value for global variable stage one score, sorry about that. Oh, add an action read. So once it exists, we need to read the value storage name save one group same group star one. So make sure you don't mix up your names and the scene variable. So we needed to store this in a scene variable, so let's name that score one. So we'll store value in score one. Now we need to use the value stored in our scene variable score one to display the stars. Okay, so now once this does not exist, once star one invert condition. So now once you invert a condition, it translates to star one does not exist in a storage does not exist in storage save one. So add an action animation, change the animation of star one, choose an operator, set to value 0. So we need it to be set to 0 once it does not exist. So we will do 0 to the number of current animation of stage 1 star. Okay, so add an empty event. Okay, let's come back here. Star 1 exists in storage save 1, read star 1 and store value in store value in score 1. And we also need a global variable. We also need a global variable here. So global variable, value of a global variable, stage 1 score, choose an operator, set to value variable, open a bracket. Now that's the variable score 1. Okay, so this is our global variable stage 1 star 1 stage 1 score, sorry. Now let's add in some locks, add an object sprite, add an animation, okay, so add that in, just name that lock 2 and duplicate, name this lock 3. Okay, so this would be for stage 3 and this would be for stage 2. Now let's return back to let's go back to our events, and now star 1 exists in storage save 1, add an action, hide the object lock 2. So once it exists, we need to hide the objects this lock 2. Okay, now let's add a scene variable. Value of a scene variable, not score, but actually score 1. So score 1 is set to 1. So once it's equals to 1, animation, change the animation of stage 1 star, choose an operator, set to value 3. Okay, add an empty event, copy that, paste, just copy that and paste, and set that to 2. So once the scene variable score 1 is set to 2, do 2 to the number of current animation of stage 1 star, add an empty event, here we go, copy, paste. Once it's set to 3, copy that, paste the 1 to the normal current animation of stage 1 star. So add an empty event. Now let's make this button active, whereby if our player clicks on it, it teleports or it changes the scene to our stage 1. So add a condition if or okay. So now cursor as such is on an object stage 1 BG. Okay, I'll just copy that and paste. Once is on stage 1 text. So if the cursor touches on one of these objects and touch a left mouse button is down left. Now we need it to change to the scene stage 1. Okay, so that's if for stage 1 events. Just copy that and let's do for stage 2. Just paste that here. Here we go. Name this stage 2 events. Now we just need to change the values. Stage 2. Okay, stage 2. Same here, change the star. Stage 2 star. Stage 2 star and here. Get 2 stars. Now we need to change the storage group, which is 2, and existing storage save 2. Read start 2 from storage save 2 install value in score 2. Now we have to use a different variable or else it will just save the value of one of the 2 events for our stage 1 and 2. So store 2 variable, change this to 2, and stage the global variable, which is stage 2 score. Now hide the object lock 3. So once it exists, we need to hide the object lock 3 and change this to 2. Same here, 2 animation 2 2 and let's go here. Stage 2 and the same here, stage 2 star. Now change the scene variable to 2 and again here. Okay, now once one of these conditions is true, Pixel Touch is on stage 2 BG, or it's on stage 2 text, and touch your left mouse button is down. And also add a condition. We need to check for the visibility of an object, which is lock 2. Okay, so now the object lock 2 is not visible. Now once it's visible, it will not work. So once it's not visible, change to the scene stage 2. Now that's all for 2. Copy and just paste that right here. Paste and rename this to stage 3 events. Let's change the variable stage 3 score end, stage 3 score, stage 3 score, star, stage 3 star, there we go, stage 3 star, there we go, stage 3 star. Now read from the group stat 3, saying here storage name save 3 install value in score 3 group star 3 storage star save 3. So now if we had stage 4, we'll just hide that here since we don't have an object. I'll just fill that in. We don't actually have a lock 4 because we don't have a stage 4. So if you have a stage 4, you can just fill this in lock 4. So variable score 3 global variable stage 3 score. So star 3 does not exist in save 3. Do this sorry, stage 3 star, okay. Now here we go, stage 3 star, and we need to change the scene variable to score 3. Here we go. Score 3. Same here, score 3. Change the scene stage 3. Now consider object is on 3. Stage 3 BG, and or it's on stage 3 text. Control left mouse button is down, just take that here. And lock 3 is not visible. So once lock 3 is not visible, we'll change to the scene. Okay, file, save. And that's saved. Just close all. And here we go. Stage select. Now preview. Oh, sorry, it's not in the middle. I'll just show the mask. Sorry, take out the grid. Here we go. I'm trying to move this into the our screen, which is the viewable area. Okay, I think that's okay. Preview. Okay, so here we go. These are stage 1, 2, and 3. As you can see, I'm clicking on stage 3, but it's not changing. That's because the lock is still visible. If I click on stage 1, changing me to our stage. Presently I'm getting the coins. Like I said, make sure you know the total number of coins you have in your stage, so you can set this properly. So there we go, stage. This is once, which it's our stage 1 has 2 stars. Go to our stage 2, so I'm going to try to get everything now. Okay, here we go. Okay. Here we go. As you can see, I have 3 stars on my stage 2, and okay. Show you 1 star works. Just go to our stage 3. Now I have to move my player to the end. Just show you how the most star works. Okay, preview. Okay, sorry, close. Stage select, preview. So there we go, stage 3. As you can see, I wasn't in collision with any coins, so I have 0 stars. Return backstage. I'll just move this back. Just try and get 1 coin and preview. Preview. So there we go, stage 3. I'm in collision with coins. 350, 400, and okay, 150. Okay, I'm in collision with the flag. As you can see, I have 2 stars. Preview. I think I was in collision with a lot of stars. So I'm trying to get 1 star. Okay, there we go. That's 1 star. So as you can see, 2, 3, 1, and the best part is that it actually saves the stars. So whenever you open the game, you don't have to repeat everything again. So here we go. 2 star, 3 star, 2 star, and 3 star. And you can also, this can also be updated. Whereby if the player plays the stage again, which is this scene, and earns like higher than the previous score. There we go. I'll just try and earn. Okay. There we go. Now once our player earns higher than the previous score, it gives our player 3 stars, which is the maximum. So that's how it's done.